Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox still not responding. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox still not responding, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to Roblox. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will wait a moment, then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.